Right, so welcome back. As you can see, the cars came along a bit from earlier, from the last video. So basically we did end up going for a additional bolt in the centre of the wing. So here you can see what ended up doing for the lower part of the wing. It's just more of these speed clips. So there's two holes, two speed clips on the bottom, and the wing is now quite securely on the car. Passenger side all done. Again, it's on there pretty well. I'm not undecided whether I'm going to clamp it behind here or not. Maybe not, don't know. Right, so yeah, this is the inside of the bonnet. As you can see, it's got the frame, so that's quite good for stiffness. So to mount on here, the hinges come in from the top from this angle. So I don't really want to just riv nut that, and I think they'd tear themselves apart. So I'm going to make something along the lines of this. That will basically have a pair of riv nuts in the side, in the top here. Where are they? Like this. And that will then bolt to the hinge that's on the car. Right, so we've got both those brackets done. This is kind of the idea. So this will be sunk into the bonnet, and then hopefully we can use these bolts to go through the fiberglass bonnet and clamp down. So we'll have a go at getting those fitted to the bonnet. See how this goes. Right, okay, that's the general idea. So you see that now sits pretty flush. There's a bit of a gap, but that's also caused by wobbles in it. So yeah, now the fun one will be going through here. Right, I imagine this looks a bit mental because it feels a little bit mental, but I'm a bit worried about drilling this on the wonk. So hopefully this little setup will allow me to do it straight. We will see. Here it goes. I'm just not going to film this. Alright, here we are. One side is done. Pretty committed to this setup now. On reflection, would I have done something differently? Maybe. I don't know. So I've got some spreader dished aluminium washers coming in the post. So hopefully it'll be alright once they turn up. So last time I put the riv nuts on both of these and then kind of struggled a bit. This time they're kind of tight, but these aren't actually, you see, they haven't actually gone through yet. And because I had, basically, it made a big mess the other side. But you know, it's the first time, we're going back now. So hopefully we'll know if this works because it'll be in the video. So yeah, although it's a little bit stressful doing this, it's definitely better than the hack job that kind of happened the other side. See what's going on? Hold that tight, and then hopefully the nice thing about this as well is the riv nut has actually grabbed onto the fiberglass. Oh, that's worked out really well. So predictably, fitting pattern wings to a car with a fiberglass bonnet is causing, or has been causing, a few fettling issues. I had quite a bit of messing around with adjustments to do, but actually I've managed to get it looking quite good. I need to have a look over another car and see what the gaps and things are like. But this, like I say, pattern wing, fiberglass bonnet, what do we expect? It's not bad. It's not actually that bad. This side is the better side. So that's pretty straight along there, considering this side is a little bit like this. That won't really be a problem once the bonnet pins are in. Again though, the gap is pretty reasonable functionality wise. Yeah, pretty good. Like I say, we'll get the bonnet pins on next, I think. Do actually need to fit. Right, that's all the way through. So the plan is I can, like that'll do, wouldn't it? Nut on the bottom, she's secure. Around. Yeah, that's all right. Okay. Right, so you join me a bit further along. Basically, well, happy days. It fits. It seems to be okay, and that's with a pin fitted as well. There seems to be enough room. That's flush as well. You can see this. Once we get the bolts in there, that should be quite good. I'm actually quite pleased with it. I haven't drilled the holes for the bolts yet. They should be pretty simple. Right, so just came in here and thought, you know what, let's put the screws in there. I'm pretty happy with it. You know? That's it, isn't it, really? Happy days. Another job done. Yeah, you can probably guess what's next. Goes down here. See how that sits. Right, so that actually almost pretty much concludes all the work I wanted to do to the front end. I wanted to make sure that the wings were bolted on, the bonnet was sorted out. That's a couple of days went into the bonnet, getting that sorted. Only other things really is the front splitter. I mean, that's going to be fine. I'm not too worried about fitting that once it's painted. I'm sure that'll be okay. So yeah, thanks to eBay, I now have to make another jig for the rear of the car, because that needs to come off the rollover jig, because we've managed to get one of these. So the rear end of the car has always been a little bit shabby. It's been dented and that kind of thing over the years. So if you fancy seeing me cut a massive hole in the back of a 3-door Cosworth, then yeah, tune in next time. Right, cheers, thank you.